Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived, and so has my bestie Monica.
Hey, I'm back!
She is back, and we are here with a really super fun video, and it is a Galentine's video, so it's just a couple days away. And what is Galentine's Day?
Well, Galentine's Day is the day before Valentine's Day, and it's kind of a day to celebrate your bestie and, you know, put your face on, go out, and have some fun.
Yep. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a makeup look that's exactly the same. So you have the same palettes. We're going to go step by step together. And if you would like to check out our makeup look that we do, stick around with us, keep watching.
And definitely hit that like button and subscribe.
Yep, don't forget. And then, yeah, maybe this will be a nice inspired makeup look for you for Galentine's or even
Valentine's.
Yep. All right, so here we go. We'll jump right into it. To our eyeshadows. So we're gonna pop this puppy open here.
And Catherine's going to
instruct
me through this.
We are gonna tap into the color here, Nude Tea. And this is gonna go all over our lid. From lash line up to the brow bone.
You're not skipping ahead, are you?
No, ma'am. The next color, and we're gonna use Sweet Tea.
Ooh, okay.
When you're dibble dabbling, you're brushing it very lightly, not a lot
I'll
of
let
color.
you go first.
Just a couple little dibble dabs, and then even tap your brush, get a little excess off. Now with this color, we're gonna put it into our crease. Here we go. We're just gonna go.
I cannot see it.
We're gonna go back and forth. I don't got it. Right, feel.
Good.
There you go. Okay, here we go, brush. Now we're gonna use a pencil brush for our next color. So when we deepen with the next color, we're just gonna keep it like on the outer third right here. And you're gonna kind of V it. So you're gonna go like this to your lash line and out, and not very far. Keep it nice and subtle, because then we can blend it out. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Very light hand, not too much product, and tap it off. We are gonna use chai tea. Right in that nice outer third.
All right, let me see if yours is looking like mine. Yes. I'm ready.
Yes, okay, now we're gonna pick up a nice clean blending brush, which is gonna be your one right here. And then all you're gonna do is right at the edge of the chai tea, blending it out.
This is some hardcore stuff here.
Blending is the key. Sometimes it takes long, so you make sure you did blend enough. Now is we're gonna use a pad of one of our fingers. Ooh. We're gonna pick up strawberry.
All these brushes, and we're using our finger.
Is it showing up on your lid? Okay, mine's like not showing up on mine. We went ahead and added the part to shader brush. Added some like little Maybelline primer. This is a nice wear boosting setting spray, so it also works as like a fix. So we went ahead and did that, and it's adding to the lid much better. All right, feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna focus on the under eye.
Ooh, I've been looking forward to doing that.
Okay, let's first pick up one of the big fluffy blending brushes that we use for the Sweet Tea. Take a little bit of Sweet Tea, not a lot at all, and we're just gonna sweep this completely right, very close to the lash line. So I'm just gonna go like this and sweep it under my eye back and forth.
If you're looking up, how can you see where you're putting it?
You gotta feel.
Oh god. Like that?
Also too, you can like lift up the mirror a little higher.
I like this idea.
Lift it up a little bit, just a little bit if you need to. Does that help a little bit?
Yes.
Okay.
exhausting.
We're gonna pick up the pencil brush again. No, not that one. Oh, the pencil brush. Yeah. So there's the pencil brush, and we're gonna pick up the chai tea. This color, we're gonna focus it right where, as far out as the chai tea was here. What you wanna do a little bit too is sweep it so it connects into the other chai tea. Connect it a little bit. Again, light hand, tap off the excess product, and go to town. Let's do, actually that detail brush might be perfect. So we're gonna use a tiny little detail brush, and then we're gonna do the same trick we did for our lid with strawberry. We're gonna go get it on the brush first, spritz it with the primer, and then we'll put it
on the bottom.
Yep. The last one, we're gonna use our pinky finger, and we're gonna dip into the pink lemonade.
Oh, okay.
And we're gonna put that right smack up like in our corner. Okay, now we're getting really fun. You thought this was fun. Wait till the next part, the liquid eyeliner.
Okay. This is truly terrifying.
Would you like to try a little bit of a wing, or how you feeling? Want to try a little bit of a wing? Okay.
Okay, let me watch.
Let me try to do, I guess, this is my left eye. Can you kind of see?
Yeah, I can see. Well, let me just start with getting that line in place.
I truly have to say this eyeliner is not good.
No, I'm like super unimpressed. I mean, with the whole liquid eyeliners I've used.
Mascara! Are you doing a little more touch up?
No,
Do it. You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
I'll just end up messing it up. Okay, let's give this a shot.
Sorry, we have our fur babies running around everywhere, so we got some doggies in the background.
Yeah.
This should be pretty easy, right? This is a no-brainer. Where do you have to place the mascara, Monica?
On the eyelashes.
I hope this is more exciting than the eyeliner.
All right.
Do you want to attempt to put eyelashes on today, or just skip that for today?
Yeah, I think we're good on no eyelashes.
And then, of course, always optional, the bottom lash line, but you look like you got control of it. You're doing that. We are so close to being done. Now we're gonna set all of this. Prime it on our face.
Yeah.
Mist. You know how to use mist, so. Yeah. You want a fan? You got it, girl.
Oh, yes. Here.
Perfect. Now this is when I like to put the eyeliner on.
Oh yes.
Now,
sexy time.
For this? Yes, sexy time. Let's do my go-to. Found it. So we have the Amrezy highlight. Oh, is that blinding?
Oh my.
Okay. I like to just use, again, pads and fingers. So if you like to use that, you can do that.
I would love to use the pads of your fingers.
Well, not mine. Use your own pads of your fingers. We're gonna do it on the bridge of our nose, tip of your nose a little bit, cheekbones, and then of course,
sexy time.
the Cupid's bow. When I use my finger too, I like to apply with one finger and then like blend it out with a different finger. Lipstick. And then we're done. And here we'll kind of lean in for them a little bit. These are our finished makeup looks, yes. So we each, as you can see, went with a different color lip. So you can pair with like lots of different colors and it still works out really well. So it's a really fun look. Let's go ahead quick. We are going to fix the mops on our head. Well, I need a little more fixing than over there, but we're gonna go ahead, finish getting glammed up, and we'll be right back with you guys.
All right, guys, that's the end of it, and
we are done with this Galentine's video. So thanks for hanging out with us.
Yes, and thank you for having me back, Kat.
Always, yes, always. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Galentine's video.
And like this, and hit the like button.
That's
and
right, just another reminder.
Subscribe.
So then you have more videos.
And make sure that that bell notification thing's on because you don't want to miss one of this girl's videos.
And you don't want to miss another one that you'll be back for because I'm sure this will happen.
I hope so. I hope so.
Again, thank you so much everyone for hanging out with us. And I hope to see all of you guys next Monday for another video. Take care.
Bye.
Because you have no... Did you already put your blush on too? Girl. Hold on, wait for me for a little bit longer. Use a concealer tip. Is that a gray hair?
You want me to take it out?
Oh no, what does it look like? Is it super... Oh,
right here?
No. Yeah.
It's awfully gray.
It is, and it's like gangly. All right. Now, okay, we're going to use... We have... No! What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I've seen enough Kat's makeup station videos to know how to put your pinky in your inner corner. Why don't you go ask Nicholas what he likes to say about rouge?
He calls it Hussy Rouge.
Feeling kind of